My name is Cassandra Marie. Welcome back to Glamourgains, a channel dedicated to helping you achieve all things glamour and all things gains. Welcome to Wellness Wednesday, a series I just newly launched on my channel. In today's video, as you can see by the title, we are going to create a vision board. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Please comment your #1 goal down below. If you want to see how to create a vision board, then please keep watching. I usually do a mood board, a dream board, or a vision board at the beginning of the year, but what the heck, I'm feeling ambitious. There's only a few months left of the year. I wanted to create another one, so I thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride. So basically, vision boards are all about the law of attraction. So if you've never heard of this before, simply it's if you believe in something enough, the universe will conspire and bring it into your life. Thoughts become things. If you really think about it enough and believe in it, it will come true. Here's what you need for this project so we can get started. Some supplies you will need are scissors, some colored paper or glitter paper, and some quotes. You'll need some images that you would like to put on your vision board. So, what do you put on a vision board? Well, ask yourself, what do you want? Here's an example of my vision board from January. I'm just going to show you a couple images that I have put on there. So starting from the bottom, there's my dream house, a couple images of dream cars, quotes that you see right here. Make your passion your paycheck. Hustle. Remember why you started. I really want to go to IMATS next year. That is a goal of mine that I'm going to manifest. Glamourgains is my brand. I really want to win a YouTube plaque, a 1 million plaque. I really want to be a registered nurse. Here's a fitness photo of myself, abundance. I photoshopped a application approved for my house. So this is the entire vision board from January, as you can see here. That's what it looked like. Photoshop things the way you want them to be right now. Here are some checks that I made from some companies that I'd like to work with. Jim Carrey actually had done this in the past and it also worked for him. Here is a letter from school that I pre-made for a scholarship. This was how I manifested my personal trainer certificate. This is my BSN in nursing that I'm going to manifest as well. And this was my lash certification that I manifested. I did this in May, if you see the date, and I actually got the real one in June. Here I'm just showing you some of my 6-month goal. And as you can see, a lot of them are already crossed off and I completed them. So I have a few more left to go. It is okay for me to have everything I want. Moving on, I have 2 central quotes at the top of my vision board that I like to focus on. In the center, I have my family because that's what drives me, is my family. That's most important. And I really want to own a husky one day. I just love those dogs so much. Here's a couple more of my goals here. As you can see, I photoshopped some more goals right along this edge here. Here I have a couple of quotes: speak it into existence, get shit done, do what you want, love what you do. Here are some more quotes. I love the universe loves a believer quote. It just speaks to me so much. Down here is my self-image section. So I just put together little collages of how I would like to look, some style inspo that I really love, fitness related pictures as well, images of myself being at my goal weight. I even photoshopped a scale with my name on it and my goal weight that I want to be in the future. Time frame. Don't focus on the time of how or how long. Focus on the feeling if you had it right now. Trust the process. What to put on it and what not to put on. There's really no set of rules. But not only should you put images on there, you should also put how you're gonna feel once you get it. Put these images and words right where you can see them. For example, if you want a fit body, how will you feel once you get that fit body? You'll feel strong, you'll feel confident, you'll feel energized. Tie those two together. So like I stated earlier, I made this fake certificate in May. It was just to manifest the real one, and then you can see here, this was the real one that I got at the beginning of June, so it took me no time to manifest. Obviously, you have to work hard. You can't just visualize it and hope for the best. This is just an amazing way to keep you focused. Also, I split my vision board into sections. This would be my career section. It has to do with my YouTube and my nursing career, as you can see here. So here's where you want to get really creative. If you can see here, I photoshopped a couple images of the things that I want to happen. You have to see it as if it's already happening now. So here is my whole vision board. You can see all the details. You can see that the glitter paper really makes it pop and stand out as well. And you can do anything that you want to customize it. This is just an idea of how I made mine. With this vision board, you actually have to put in some action as well. You can't just manifest and hope and believe all your dreams are going to come true. You actually have to have some action behind it. You just don't have to worry about where it's coming and when it's coming. You just have to believe that you are going to receive it and that it's already yours. So the next step is placing it somewhere you will see every single day. I posted it right in front of my bed. Now, I'm not saying that I have all the answers or anything, but I am saying if you truly believe in it enough, and guess what? There's more where that came from. Thank you so much for watching. I don't think I have anything else to say except for I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to fly. First, love yourself. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video.